Dang. Now. What? Wow, this crop is looking good. Jesus. Holy shit. What is up with these potatoes? Wow. So we got out of one bag. I don't have a scale, so I can't weigh it, but that's pretty darn good. Okay, so this is 130-gallon pot. That's a lot of potatoes. I've got like 6 more to go, so that'll last us a long 3-4 weeks maybe.